family, this is your girl Renee from Renee's Garden Adventures, and I wanted to show you this tool that I purchased off of Temu. I think it was like $1.99. Because if you guys aren't familiar with Temu, you can get a lot of cheap stuff on there. The product is cheap, but the shipping and handling is what will do you in. But I saw this one because they said this was supposed to be good for coring bell peppers. And you know, I grow a lot of bell peppers. These ones I didn't grow. I purchased these in the store. But I wanted to show you guys right along with me for the first time to see if this actually worked. So from what I take it, you're supposed to put it right in the center right here like this. Can you guys see that? Let me do it this way. Put it in the center at the top, and we're just supposed to push it down. And it's supposed to core it just like if you were coring an apple. So let's push this down. Let's push. See what happens. I guess the bell peppers, there you go. It's got to be firm. And then you're just supposed to pull it up. And then this is where all the seeds and stuff are. So I got a little bowl here. So we're just going to pop this out of here. And this is what it looks like. Now let's see how many seeds it left behind. So let's take this knife. Let's cut this bell pepper. And let's see. Let's see. Didn't leave too many seeds in there. This is the part that got crushed. So I got another one. We're going to try it again. So let's cut this part off. Because that part had some seed. So it's going to help you get some of the seeds out. But it's not going to take all of the seeds out. Let's try it on this red one. And make sure it's firm. All right, let's take the top. Because the top of this thing has all these little pointy things on it. Looks like a crown turned upside down. So we're going to put it in the middle again. And we're going to push down. There you go. This one did a lot better. So let's pull this out. Let's see. Get this one here. Push it out of there just like you coring an apple. See? That's what that one looked like. So this would be good for a gardener if you're like trying to save your seeds. This would be a perfect way to help you save your seeds because it'll take the whole core out. Let's see. So you're still going to have some seeds inside of your bell pepper, but at least it'll take that hard core part out. And it won't be so hard. Because you know, normally what I do when I cut my bell peppers, I do it this way. I take my knife and I go all the way around the middle. Around a circle. Just like that coring thing is doing. And then when I pull it out, see how it looks compared to this one. See, this is the one I did with my knife. This is the one I did with that core thing. Is this something that I would purchase again? I probably would, but I'm going to be honest with you. You could do the same thing with your knife that I just showed you that this thing can do. But I saw this. I never saw anything like this before. So you know how curiosity gets you. You'd be like, I wonder if this would work and make my coring of these bell peppers a lot easier. So let's cut this one in half. And see, still has just as many seeds as it did in this one with the core. See what I'm saying? So it all depends on you. If you have a problem holding knives and you just need something that you could just hold, because it has a pretty nice handle on it, something you can hold secure in your hand, and you can push down and have a good grip if you have a grip problem. And this is easy for you just to put your hand around it and then push down. So let's try it one more time in this yellow one. So you take it around the core and you just push it on down and pull it on up. Now, if you had a lot of these bell peppers to do, then this little gadget will come in handy because you could have somebody coring them and you can have another person cutting these things up, which is perfect if you're like a gardener and you have harvested a lot of bell peppers and you need, you don't want to do all that because gardeners know when you have a lot of vegetables, you want to make your processing part as quick and easy. So for me, this would be perfect for coring it, just getting the center out, passing that bell pepper down to somebody else, and they could cut it up, take the rest of the seeds, wash it out, and then I can use my handy dandy chopper. Have you guys seen this chopper before? Let me show you how this works. So let me just take a piece of this one bell pepper here, and I'll show you quickly how this works. I've had this little chopper for many years. You see them on TV where you put the vegetable here, you close it, and then the contents comes in this little clear little container that you can take off, and all your vegetables and stuff will be in here like onions and bell peppers. But let me show you how I'm going to use it because it'll be easier for me to chop this stuff up. So I think those will be big enough. All right, let me show you how this works real quick, and then we're going to end this video, you guys. So what you do is you put your chopper down, raise it up. You put one of your bell peppers in there. You can put 1, 2, or 3, but I'm gonna just show you. And then you just push down. You hear that? And then you just raise it up, and you see how your contents of your bell peppers inside here. And then you just take another one, put it in there, push down, and you keep going just like this. And then I'll show you what it looks like. And this is how, when I have a lot of my garden, this is how I process my bell peppers. And you just twist it off. And then look at that. Look at all the pieces in there. They're finely chopped and ready to cook with. Isn't that cool? And I've had this for many, many years. And it's called Genius. I don't know who the company is, but it's called Genius. Just like that. All right, guys. Well, I figured I'd just show you a new gadget that I have and show you a true blue, tried and true gadget that I would always buy again. I stand by this piece of equipment because it makes my life so much easier. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for today. So I'm going to end it there because I got to process all these bell peppers and put them in my freezer bag and put them in the refrigerator. So when I need some bell peppers, they'll already be cut. And all I do is take out how much I need and throw it into whatever I'm cooking. All right, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Look how nice those bell peppers are chopped up. Not with the new, I'm going to call this my bell pepper core. And then you'll be able to clean them, chop them, put them in your bag, and cook with them. All right, guys. Talk to you later.